Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful fringe tassel garland. All you need for this decoration is crepe paper and wool, and within a few minutes you can very easily create this very beautiful party decoration at home. You can use this party decoration for New Year as a New Year's party decoration, but you can also use this as a birthday party decoration, graduation decoration, or as a party decoration for any other occasion. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all my future uploads. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.